Smile, hello everyone. Today we'll learn to heal our eyes problem by Sujok. So let's understand which are the eye points. In thumb, these 2 points are eyes point. To make it easy, I will say that make a center line and divide this in 3 parts, the upper phalange of thumb. When you divide this in 3 parts, on the upper line, both sides, these are eye points, and you will find the painful points here. Now first I will tell you in case of weak eyes. In case of weak eyes, massage this nicely. After doing good massage, do moxa here. And after doing good moxa, we can put peppercorn seed. Eyeball is in the shape of peppercorn. So 2 peppercorn seeds, put it on these 2 points. And tell the person to keep pressing it from time to time. This is by our main system. Also, we should tonify the liver meridian, that is middle finger, middle line from top to bottom with green color. It has good connection with eyes from top to bottom, green color. And make a green smiley on liver points. In right hand, this is my liver organ point. Make the liver point with green color smiley. Also in animal system, these 2 above the nail and below the joint, these 2 are eyes point. Very good and powerful. I always suggest the patient to take these points. Again, massage this nicely and put red color and put 2 peppercorn seeds here. And in finger system also, the same division can be done in any finger, and here you will find the painful points of eyes. Same procedure, massage, put red color, do moxa, and then put 2 peppercorn seeds in any finger and any hand. And animal system also, in any finger below the joint and above nail, here you will find the painful point. Again, massage, put red color and peppercorn seeds here after moxa. This is for weak eyes. In case you have conjunctivitis, that is heat energy is more, then on eye points will be same. Put ice here, don't do moxa, put ice, baraf here, and color this green, don't color red, color this, blue color on eyes point, any finger or thumb, any hand, any thumb. And on animal system also, these are eye points. Again put eyes here, and after putting eyes, massage, put blue color, and after putting the blue color, you can put green gram seeds, that is moong dana, 2 seeds here. And best is that sprouted part of the green gram should touch the skin. Again, these are the points. The same procedure can be done in any finger, either in the back side, animal system, or in the front as I had shown you, in any finger, in any hand. So, this is for conjunctivitis. In case of watery eyes, Then these are the eye points, or these are the eye points. Take any and do anti-clockwise massage. Anti-clockwise. If this eye, that is left hand, my right eye is watery, then this point, and for left eye this point. If you can't understand, do both. Anti-clockwise massage for watery eyes. And then after doing good massage for 1 minute, on each point you can put 2 seeds here, any seed. And in case of dry eyes, then clockwise massage on any eye point. Clockwise massage for 1 minute. After doing good clockwise massage, put red color and again peppercorn seeds here, kali mirch seeds here. So friends, this is how you can heal your eyes for various reasons. If you're having eye problems, this is how you can heal, by sujuk, and you will get very good results. I'm confident of that. Thank you and smile healings.